with Nongae from Johnson's Folly Horse Farm, and we've been trialing the bedding for a couple of weeks with Aggie, and we've got some great testimonials and reception from that. And I just wanted to have just a minute from you to talk about your farm and just talk about a bit about waste management and what you think of our product and how you think it can help the community. So I leave it to you.
Well, being a horse farm owner, I'm always looking for ways to save money because it's such an expensive hobby and business, and with everything, prices going up, manure removal and the cost of bedding, looking for alternatives. And I came across an article about this bedding and the idea of recycling used shavings is genius.
So one of the questions I wanted to ask you when we talked about bedding is, did you have any response to dust over what you've been using in the past?
Dramatically less dust.
Okay, great.
The gentleman who cleans our stalls commented about, and that's a huge problem, right? The guys need to wear a face covering, but it's very uncomfortable. It's too hot. It's a lot of things, and then clean up, the area that has been less dusty, and that's a big plus.
Oh, that's awesome. And yeah, I mean, the whole point of allowing us to have a hypoallergenic bedding is having that dust removed from it, and then our infusion then obviously allows it to really be clean when it's been in and out of those stores. So it's great for the hands, the farm hands. Do you have any difference in smell from ammonia or anything like that?
I find it definitely knocks the odor down.
That's amazing. Yeah, we really appreciate that. So what do you reckon on your waste removal? Do you do sort of a week?
Well, I can watch the wheelbarrows head towards the manure dumpsters, and I can just see all the good clean bedding that's in there, and it's upsetting, but the time that you spend sifting through it is money as well. So, you kind of just have to eat that in this business. So I hope to also making some sort of impact with the recycling piece.
Which would be really good. And do you know where your bedding goes once it comes off the farm?
I dream about it going to some place really good where it can have a second life, but I'm going to guess it goes to some form of dumping site, maybe.
Yeah, and there's lots of good places. And there's a lot of inadequate dumping in this region, and it's just the way around all of North America. And so our ability just to be able to build these facilities in the heart of equestrian regions is just fantastic. So we can take your waste, recycle it, reuse the bedding over about 3-4 times, and hopefully save you money, and on top of that have a healthier bedding. So we were just talking about waste management and bedding, and you had a great thought that you wanted to bring up just about you do use some bag bedding, but you also use a lot of bulk shavings right now. Tell me about that.
That's our primary source of bedding. It is more economical. It's not ideal. I could be using a better product, but it's really not cost effective. I would hope that I'll be able to use your bag bedding when you are finally in production.
Yes, that would be absolutely great. So I want to really thank you. Is there anything else that you would like to add while we're sitting here?
Will you be taking the plastic bags away?
What we're going to do is that once we take the waste bedding, we are going to have a plastic recycling division that will take all of the plastic bags, and we are going to pelletize them. Some of those will be used for fuel in a pyrolysis gasification unit, and the rest were going to be for plastic recycling. And we're going to work with agencies and foundations in this region that do recycling.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Aggie. It was such a great subject.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for everything.